everyone, welcome back. If Meta AI is not responding, do not worry. This usually happens due to network or app issues. First, check your internet connection because weak internet can stop responses. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the Meta AI app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back on. Then, try asking your question again. If it still does not respond, restart your phone or device. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version because outdated versions can cause response issues. Now you can also try switching Wi-Fi and mobile data. If nothing works, go ahead and on Android clear cache or long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Meta AI and reinstall the app again. Now Meta should work properly or respond normally again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next